Very good afternoon. Very good. Alhamdulillah. I'm Karim Abdul Momin. I come for signboard. I spoken English and learning to spoken English. Cyprus. Our teacher is Mr. Kausar Ahmed.
Don't introduce yourself, just question this answer.
Yes. Do you think you are a health conscious person? আপনি কি স্বাস্থ্য সচেতন?
স্বাস্থ্য সচেতন।
Yes or no?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
I have not রোগ ব্যাধি কিছু রোগ ব্যাধি নাই।
Okay.
I am healthy.
Healthy.
I am
What rules do you follow? আপনি কি রুলস ফলো করেন বলেন? To stay healthy, স্বাস্থ্যবান থাকার জন্য এমন কোন নিয়ম অনুসরণ করেন আপনি?
No, I had breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I take my lunch at 2 p.m. and I eat dinner at 9 p.m.
9 p.m.
9 p.m.
Okay. Do you exercise every day? Walk, running?
No, I have no exercise, no morning work. I have recited the Holy Quran and I teach the madrasa, Hamis Sunnah, Salihah Madrasa,
Okay.
signboard, Damra Dhaka.
Damn right. Okay. So why are you learning English?
I like the learning English at Cyprus. Alhamdulillah. Admission to the Big Nation. Any people, any student learning the spoken English, that because international language of English. So, our Bangladeshi students learning the spoken English. Our school and madrasa and teaching spoken English weak, very weak student. Students very weak. So our Prime Minister Tariq Rahman, education is backbone of the nation, and the honors education, the free education. Thank you, our Prime Minister Tariq Rahman. So, I am like the English. English is any man, any female. The English teaching and English শিক্ষা করা ফরজ আছে বর্তমানে। বিশেষ প্রয়োজন ইংলিশ শিক্ষা করা বর্তমান যুগের জন্য বিশেষ প্রয়োজন। তো all students spoke in English and English grammar and English book, the reading, always the English speaking. I go to home. I will go to home. They spoke in English. The father, mother, sister, brother speak English.
So now how many members do you have in your family? আপনার পরিবার সদস্য কতজন?
I have one daughter and two sons. I have no wife. He is dead. I am single. So,
When your wife died, how many days ago or months ago or years ago?
2 years ago. 2 years ago.
She died. Okay. Very sad for you. Yes. So I think that's it for today.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.